In spoken English, you might have heard a word that is "ain't." It is used by native English speakers either in conversation or in movies or serials. So today in this video, I'll teach you how to use "ain't" in spoken English. Alright, so friends, here you can see contracted forms. These are is plus not isn't, are plus not aren't, this is aren't, am plus not aren't, it's not amn't, this is aren't, has plus not hasn't, have plus not haven't. All these contracted forms together called ain't, although ain't is not a good English. Not good English. It's a bad English, or especially in native English speaking countries also. It's considered, it's a kind of slang. Alright. But it is being used in spoken English a lot. So wherever you use is not isn't, are not aren't, am not aren't, has not hasn't, have not haven't, we can use ain't. But please keep this in mind that you will use in spoken only, but that should be in informal situation. Not for official purpose, and especially in the examination, please don't write down this. Alright, so in these sentences, the first is I ain't happy. Here ain't means am plus not. Either you say aren't, I aren't happy, that's also correct. I aren't happy. Or you could, this you can use in, you might use in examination, but not this. Alright, so I ain't happy means I am not happy. She ain't going to Delhi means she is not. She is not going to Delhi. He ain't helped me means he has not. He has not. Here has not means ain't. He ain't helped me. He has not helped me. We ain't dancing. We are not dancing. They ain't money means they have no money. Have no money. I hope you understood that how to use this ain't in spoken English. It's really very easy to understand and use them into a spoken English. बहुत आसान है इसे समझना और spoken English में use करना, my dear friends. All right. Sometimes we use ain't और negative भी होता है. Ain't के पास they ain't have nothing, something like that. We use two times, but that's very informal in spoken English. By the way, I suggest once again not to use this examination, but yes, you can use in informal situation and spoken. This will help you a lot. This ain't very nice. So all right, like I ain't got. There is also a word called nothing. When I said you, when we use it for two times as negative, I ain't got anything. So we say it here, I have not got anything. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, I have something, I have not anything, or I have not got. तो ये got second form के रूप में use मत कीजिएगा. I have got something and I have something, both are correct. ये मैंने एक वीडियो में पढ़ा दिया आपको. I have something or I have got something. मैंने कुछ पाया है और मेरे पास कुछ है. In both the sense हम इसे use करते हैं. Something. So here I have used I ain't got anything. It means I have not got anything. So I hope this is done and you will be able to use it in a spoken English. How to use ain't properly in a spoken English. Very nice. Thank you very much, my dear friends.